In this question, we're asked to find the molarity when 4 grams of NaOH is dissolved in 250 ml of the solution. So what we have is 4 grams for the mass of NaOH, and we have 250 ml for the volume. And the question wants us to find the molarity. In this case, we're going to need the formula for molarity, which is moles of NaOH divided by the volume of the solution in liters. Since we need the volume in liters, and the question gives us the volume in ml, let's go ahead and do the conversion. We know 1 ml is equivalent to 10 to the negative 3 liter. So we multiply with this conversion, and that is going to give us 0.25 liters. Now that we have the volume in liter, the next thing we need is the mole of NaOH. Well, the question gives us grams of NaOH, so we're going to need to find the mole using the molar mass. We need to divide the mass of NaOH that's given with the molar mass of NaOH, and that will give us 0.1 mole. Now that we found the mole, let's plug in the values in the molarity formula, and that gives us 0.1 mole, which is the mole that we just calculated, divided by 0.25 liter, which is the volume of the solution, and that comes out to be 0.4 molar. With that, we found what the question asked for, which is 0.4 molar for the molarity. Hope the video helps. Do subscribe, and thanks for watching.